Hey guys, AJ here of YugaTech, and now let's unbox the OPPO Reno in Sunset Rose.
Now, believe it or not, that video was shot on just this device. What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and remember this guy, it's the shark fin phone, the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. Say hi to you guys and Joey over there. And we're actually gonna use this to shoot a whole unboxing for actually the OPPO Reno in its sunset pink color. We have the 10X Zoom set up on a quick release plate that we usually use on our mirrorless cameras. We just have a phone mount connected to the plate, and this plate will go to the tripod, which is also connected to a slider, so you know. And we have AJ over here hosting the video. Again, this is for the unboxing of the standard Reno in its new sunset pink colorway. It's the whole process behind that. I hope you guys enjoy. So again, our main camera for this unboxing video will be the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom that we have here. That will be placed on that tripod over there. So for audio, we have the Rode NTG2 hooked up to a H5, which I will hit record on, so you better be ready. Okay. So for lights, we have a big softbox over here, and we have a lot of, actual practical lights. We need more lights. Give us more likes so we can also get some more lights. We're gonna hook this up to the tripod now. You know how it is. By the way, just to remind you guys, the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom has a triple camera setup. That's a 48 megapixel main wide shooter, 13 megapixel periscopic telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide. When you're in video mode, the ultra wide doesn't seem to be, working, but who cares? We don't need it. What's great about this is it can shoot up to 4K in 60 frames per second. What's really great about the main sensor is you get gyro electronic image stabilization, so you should get pretty stable footage even in handheld, but for now it's a static shot. I just thought it was worth mentioning, so yeah. 3, 2, 1. Snap, can you clap? Okay.
Hey guys, AJ here of YugaTech, and now let's unbox the OPPO Reno in Sunset Rose.
So now we're getting like this C-stand we have in our super secret disclosed location over there, and we're gonna use this to get a top-down shot of AJ unboxing the phone. Now, you don't actually need to use a C-stand for top-down shots if you don't actually have one, but since we do have one, we're gonna use it. What's up? We back. I don't remember the last cut, but now we're done with our top-down shot and we have to move the C-stand out. And I will do just that. To make the unboxing video a little bit more interesting, we're gonna take some B-rolls. Quick tip, if your video was in 24 frames or 30 frame video, you wanna get a higher frame rate. I'm sure a lot of creators know this already by now. So you can slow it down in post and get that sweet slow motion. In this case, we have 60 frames, so we're gonna work with that. So, that was our behind the scenes episode of how we shot the OPPO Reno in its Sunset Rose color, all just with the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. To recap, the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom gets a triple camera setup here on the back. That's a 48 megapixel main shooter as your wide lens, a 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 13 megapixel periscopic telephoto. In video, you can shoot up to 4K 60, and you also get gyro electronic image stabilization on here, but that only works with the main lens. You cannot use the ultra wide in video. So yeah, if you're aspiring to be a content creator and you don't have all your gear set up and you don't really have that much of a big budget, you can actually just get by with this OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. I recommend this video camera, smartphone. I mean, it gives really good video. I mean, what else can you say? We didn't really talk about the front-facing camera on this device for video, but it's actually a very capable vlogging camera in my opinion. You also get this flash here, if you guys don't know about it, and it's just like, oh, it's such a dark situation, but I can still be heard and I'm vlogging right now. So yeah. So that wraps it up for this video. This is the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If you had fun watching this video, be sure to smack that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and that's been Ali and Joey and AJ, and we will all see you in the next one.